Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Ipsy Plus bag for September of 2020. Now if you haven't seen my video of me actually picking out my products, I'll have it linked below, but now we're gonna see if I actually received them or not. So that's exciting. If you guys want to see if Ipsy messed up or if Ipsy got it right, then definitely keep on watching. If you enjoy these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would do me the honor and click the subscribe button, it would literally melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Now, right before we get into actually unbagging this, I want to mention one of my lovely subscribers, Michelle. She's actually unbagging her bag over on her channel. I will have it linked below. Definitely go check her out. She's one of my sweetest subscribers, and she has her own channel. She's gonna be unbagging her Plus, which has different products than I have, so definitely go check out her video. She's so sweet. Anytime I do a YouTube live, she is one of my moderators, so please go show her some love over there. Tell her I sent you, and yeah, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so first I want to see if I actually got the choice product, and it looks like somebody might not have a card because I got theirs. So this month's theme is good vibes, and if you guys don't know, I only got the Plus for September. I skipped over the regular glam bag and I skipped over the ultimate this month, so this is the only Ipsy unboxing that we're going to be doing for September, but I do plan on getting maybe all three for October. I don't know, maybe I'll just stick with the regular glam bag and then the Plus, because ultimate is kind of disappointing, but yeah, I can't wait to see if I got my choice item in here. I did. Okay, so this is my choice item. This is the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. It says it helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleans pores, helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. So I got this product here, which I'm actually really excited about because I do love the microdermabrasion. I'm almost out of it. I've been using it for the last year. You're supposed to use that one like every 3 days. So I pretty much use it once a week or once every 2 weeks because it is pretty harsh. I think this smells good. I can't really tell. I know there's a scent there, but I can't breathe out of my nose, so I don't know why I'm gonna even attempt to smell stuff. This is actually really nice to have to exfoliate your skin, and the fact that it is going to deep cleanse my pores, I'm excited about. I wouldn't say I have like a pore problem, but definitely my chin, I'll get the bumps. They really clog on my chin, and they really don't clog anywhere else on my face other than my chin. It's kind of gross. Like, my chin's always really gross and bumpy. Love that for myself. Can't wait to give that product a try. Next up we have from Goldfaden MD. This is the Brightening Elixir Protect Plus Repair Brightening Serum. I'll show you the packaging, but I'll probably just throw this up on my Poshmark because I know I'm never going to get any use out of it. I did just add like a ton new makeup products on my Poshmark. I even put my Jeffree Star Thirsty palette up there. I know, I'm crazy. But this is the packaging here. If my camera will zoom, it wants to focus on my face. I mean, I get it. This is the money maker. I'm just kidding, sorry. If you guys are interested in joining Poshmark, you can use my referral, CONNORKRYSTYN, and you get a $10 credit to shop any closet you want. And if you've already made a Poshmark account, but you want a $10 credit, make a new one. Use referral CONNORKRYSTYN. You're welcome. Next up, we have the Laura Geller Spackle Mist Restore Coconut Water Prime Set and Refresh. I did want to try this, but I actually forgot that I had a bunch of other setting mists like from Draw Cosmetics and Ofra, so I'm probably going to throw this on my Poshmark as well. So yeah, if you guys want to shop my Poshmark, check it out. I have like a ton of palettes I just put up there. Next up from Context, this is the Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. I'm sorry it's not wanting to focus. This is for, well, it doesn't say. It's just an eye cream. Ooh, I found a lash that was hanging on my sleeve. That's good. Let me just throw it over there. I hope there's not a safety seal. But yeah, I'll probably just throw this up on my Poshmark too because I don't need another eye cream. I've been using the Murad one and I've been using the Tula one. I've actually used the Tula one pretty much almost every night for the last like month, and I've noticed my under eyes are brighter. I'm not sure if it's supposed to make your eyes brighter or like as a serum type thing, like a beauty product, or if it's just supposed to make them brighter like under makeup, because you can do that too. But I've noticed my dark circles aren't as dark anymore because I put it on before I go to bed. It has this cooling effect and I just like how it feels, and I've actually noticed a difference. So if you got that blue tube, the Tula stuff, it's actually, I've noticed a difference. Like that's weird for me to say because usually I don't notice a difference like that, but I do. So I'm actually really happy with that product that I got. Like, oh, that's a good one. And then the last we got from Space Case Cosmetics is a quad. Let's look at it. This is actually a product you can purchase with your points, which I think is really disappointing that you can get point products also in your bag. Like, what if you purchased something in the points and spent like 1,200, 1,800 points and then you got it in your bag the next month, or it was a choice? I'd be pretty mad, especially because that's happened to me before. Let's just take a look at this. Oh, this is actually a really pretty palette. I mean, I don't need it. I pretty much have these shades already, so I'm just going to put it on Poshmark. I just wanted to show you the shades really, really quick. Yeah, I'll probably just throw this up on Poshmark, and yeah. I think the only item that I'm actually going to keep out of this whole entire bag is this, because it's my choice item and I'm most excited about that. So yeah, that is everything that I got in the bag this month. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Did you like your bag? Let me give you my final thoughts really quick on like Ipsy as a whole. Now, I'm a little disappointed in the plus, only because after reading your comments, I have to agree on a lot of things that you guys were talking about in one of my past Ipsy videos about how the very first plus was really good. The choices for each category were pretty good. They were pretty good. They were okay. But then the plus choices for September weren't good at all. Like, a lot of the spoilers we didn't even get to see in most of our categories. Now, some of you guys were lucky enough to get a lot of the spoilers, but for the most part, it's almost like few and far between, like as if there's like, let's just say like 100 people picked their products for Ipsy, but only like 10 people actually got some spoiler items. Like, that's kind of disappointing that there wasn't more spoiler items for more people. Like, I wanted the beauty blender. That wasn't anything for me. Hardly anybody got that one except for a few people, and that to me is kind of disappointing. Like, I would rather see the spoilers, like one of them that Ipsy actually said is a spoiler, show up in a category for everyone. Like, at least one, right? And then another thing is that somebody mentioned that one of the spoilers was the Beauty Blender foundation, which I didn't even talk about on my channel at all. I didn't mention it because honestly I felt like that one was too good to be true, even though Ipsy did show that as a spoiler, but I didn't see anyone have it. No one had it. So that's another reason why I didn't mention it, because for some reason I felt like deep in my soul that it was too good to be true, and no one had it. Like, nobody mentioned it. Nobody saw it. Let me know down below if you saw the Beauty Blender foundation. I know a lot of people were upset because other people had spoiler videos out and spoiled that foundation, and that's why they signed up for Plus. But that's why I didn't talk about it as a spoiler on my channel, because it just did not sound whatsoever like it was gonna happen. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Were you somebody that saw that as a spoiler and wanted to sign up? Are you happy that I didn't personally show that on my channel? I don't know, I just felt like it just wasn't gonna happen. I didn't want to put, like, you know, a big hope, because I thought that would be a really cool product that I would have wanted to try, but I don't know. Anyways, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. You know I love to hear them. I need to blow my nose. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!